This is going to be the third video, and today I'm going to show you in the same outfit. No, I don't wear the same outfit to school every day. I'm just doing all the videos at once. So I'm going to show you what your child is going to do if there are two ratios in one problem. So the first thing that I do is I like to divide the amount of space that they give you to solve the problem into two. This side would be for the first ratio, this side would be for the second ratio, just to keep us nice and organized. So let's read the problem. During the first semester, the ratio of the number of students in art class to the number of students in gym class was 2 to 7. So we know that we should pull out our first ratio, and we're gonna label the first ratio before we even go on to the second one. So the number of students in art class, so I'm gonna put an A over the 2 to the number of students in gym class. So I'm gonna put a G over the 7. However, the art classes were really small and the gym classes were really large, so the principal changed the students' classes for the second semester. In the second semester, the ratio of the number of students in art class to the number of students in gym class was 5 to 4. Hi, Chase.
Good morning, Chase.
Okay, so now we need to label our second ratio. So the 5 still represents the students in art class, the 4 still represents the students in gym class. Okay, so now we can draw our tape diagrams to help us solve the problem.
Oops.
So we have art, gym. Art has 2 units. Gym has 7 units. So you can see that the 2 above are going to look exactly like the 2 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And now our second ratio, 5 units to 4 units, and I'm going to make my 4 on the bottom match the ones on the top as best as I can. Okay, so let's read what else we have. If 75 students were in art class in the second semester, so this is why it's really nice to stay nice and organized, because now I can tell this is the second semester, 75 students were in art class. So I'm gonna ask myself, do I want to use the ratio for art, or do I want to use the ratio tape diagram for gym? Well, it says in art class, so I'm gonna use the ratio
Art.
for art. And I know 75 students were in there, okay? So I know 75 is my total. I want to find out what is in each unit. So let's count how many units there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to take my 75 and I'm going to divide by 5. So now we ask ourselves, how many groups of 5 are in 7? 1. So I subtract 1 times 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. I use the 5 in the ones place to help me out. 5, how many groups of 5 are in 25? 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and I have no remainders. So I know that 15 is going to go in every single unit, because all of the units are the same size, all of the units are the same shape, and you can see, because all of the units are the same, I can also use the 15 over here. 15, 15. Each unit gets 15 in them. So let's see, what is the problem actually asking? How many were in art class and gym class the first semester? So I know this represents semester 1, this represents semester 2, and they want to know how many were in art class and gym class. So here's art. I have 2 units, each with 15. This should be mental math. So there were 30 students in art, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 units, so I'm going to do 15 times 7, or you can add 15 7 times, but we really want to move past that. 7 times 5, 3 10s, 5 1s. 7 times a 10 is 70, plus 3 is 105. Okay, so there were 30 students in art and 105 students in gym. Okay, hope that helped you out. Thanks for watching.
Shout out to Miss Ellis.
Shout out to Miss Ellen.